What's going on here? Yep, there's nothing better than changing your mind another 3 or 4 times mid-build. So, original plan was to have a little cupboard here, then I'll use my arm, the diner, seats, and then a bed here, and then over here a walk-in shower cubicle. However, now I've decided that I don't want to lose half the cupboard up the top here, and it becomes a real pokey little one, you know, like this way, 800 or something wide, maybe not, yeah, 740 wide, 750 wide. And as far as headroom goes, I'm only 6'7" and I barely fit in here, so anyone taller than me is going to have a bit of a job. So now we're thinking toilet can still go there in a nice, some sort of box, then the bed, and then over here we'll put a wall up here, and that can be the shower, full size shower, lots of headroom. The only thing we didn't want to do was have our van practical. We wanted our van to be individual rooms and entertainment area, but anyway, shower will go in this section here. And I think if we make the front door a mirror or something fancy, it won't look too out of place. So unless we change our mind between now and the next video, that's the new plan. So I'm just gonna finish off this roof now. I've said that enough times. Well, we've spent lots of time designing the van, changing the plans, redesigning the van, re-changing the plans, and I think we're sort of halfway where we want to be. So still got a mountain to do before September. That's only a month away. What I'm going to do this weekend is I'll finish welding up the roof, and I'm going to pull it off, put the ceiling on, see if I can shoehorn it back on there. And then we've got a lot of parts that rocked up that I want to start pre-fitting to the van. And what else did I find? Oh yeah, hidden in the light, I found some money. Woohoo! Finders keepers. Here we go, we're ready to take the roof off. I've unbolted all the side rails or side channels. From my calculations, it should weigh around 34 kilos, which is still pretty heavy. And then it's going to have to hold solar panels and aircon units and all sorts of other heavy stuff. So we'll see what happens, but the sides should be braced enough to hold the roof with the fridge, and on the other side with the shower. So I'll see if I can manhandle this off. Oh look, we've got a shower thing. It's not exactly where we originally wanted it, but gives us the most headroom and space, so that's where it's going now. Alright. See if I get crushed by this or not. Surely I can lift 34 kilos. Famous last words.
Yeah, so I just ground down all the roof side, and now I'm going to do the ceiling side, which is this side face up. Just grind the welds down a little bit so that the roof sheeting can sit on there nice and flush. And I've also got these rubber grommets, well actually plastic grommets, and I got them from the electrical shop, and they just go in, pre-drill all them to run all the wiring, so that way it doesn't have any sharp edges to rub through the wiring, and it's easy to do it now before the ceiling goes on. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to put some prep on it, and then glue the wood sheets onto the ceiling. Then we'll flip it back over and try and shoot it back up on the roof, and hopefully you're following along, and this is a procedure.
There we have it, the roof is ready to go back on. First off, I've just got to put these couple little panels in that I haven't done yet, but we're going to put this trim, same trim that we had before, over the edging before the roof goes back on. So I've got to do it along this edge. I'm going to bring it up around the cabinet and cupboard. I've got to make a couple infill pieces and put it down on this side, so it'll all be the same, just a couple of rivets to hold it in place, and then the roof will sit on top, sandwich it down. And for the ends, I've already done them as you already saw in the pictures. Alright, this is where we'll leave the video for now. I've got been spending a lot of time designing where everything's going to go electrically and ordering parts, trying to get everything I need because of all the lockdowns. There's just so much delay on parts and equipment if you could get them. So I've got insulation coming, I've got roof sheeting sorted, I've got wiring, I've got batteries, I've got all sorts of good stuff to go in it, which I'll show you in other videos, but I'll put them videos out when we get closer to getting something finished. Showers, heaters, all sorts of goodies. Oh, if you don't want to subscribe, at least hit the like button if you like it, or the don't like button if you don't like it. Always good for us. Alright, thanks for tuning in. See you on the next episode.